So let's see how to draw this graph that a change in price. So it's a two-dimensional good X and good Y, and then the price of X, right? Initially is 1-to-1, the same price. Now the price of the X is dropped by half, so it just originally buy 3 units. Now you can buy 6 units if you don't buy any Y. So you can see the when the price drop and the quantity demand for X goes up, so you say ordinary good. Okay, so we want to show this. This is a standard downward sloping graph. If you plot the price of X with the quantity demand for X. Okay, but this is in this product space. But anyway, so let's start drawing of it. We'll start with a graph paper, and now we're going to draw the axis. Okay, we're going to draw it from Fig 1, say from 0, 0 again to 7, 0, and then note right. Okay, and then X. Okay, I think this is pretty standard. If you have seen another video, that would be a little bit straightforward, so I'm going to do it quickly. 0, 0 up to 0, 7. Okay, up to 0, 7 here. Okay, and note above. Okay, and it is going to be Y. Okay, and now we draw the two budget line. Okay, it will be 0, 3 to 3, 0, and going to draw it from 0, 3, okay, up to 6, 0, because you can buy double the amount because the price dropped by half. Okay, so the next thing to do is to draw this two indifference curve. Okay, so as if you see previous video, we will do a draw using the plot function and smooth function to try to give you 3 different points. Okay, and the line will try to find the best fit the curve line to pass through these 3 points. Okay, so we'll draw plot and then smooth and then coordinates, and then we try to put in all the coordinate. So we know the middle coordinate already. If you look at this graph, it is going to be say 2, 1. Okay, let's do 2, 1 here. And what should be the first coordinate? Maybe 1, 3 if I have following what we are doing. 1, 3, and let's see, doing is like 3.5.5. Say, let's see if this one would work. Okay, so let's compile this and see if this one works as our intent. So seems okay. It's exactly what we want, and we just copy this and try to see which point we're doing. Maybe this is 4, maybe 4.8. Is it going to be right? Yeah, we have 4.1 here because this is not very precise. We're 4.1 here, say 4.1 here, and maybe we say 3, 3, yeah, maybe 3. Okay, and this may be 4.1 here, maybe 6.5. Say let's see how this looks like. as you see other video, this trial and error. See, this one is not looking very nice, going down a little bit. So this, what we do is like to shift up a little bit about this guy. Okay, maybe 0.7, say. See if it helps a little bit to meet our requirement. Okay, seems to be okay. But if you're picky a little bit, just add a little bit, maybe make the free a little bit high up to here, and see if it helps. Yeah, but then you need to maybe go down a little bit again, so you can see we need to do some trial and error, because we are just let the system to best fit. So just a little bit twist here and there. Okay, doesn't really work that well. Maybe we just go back to this one. Maybe we just, yeah, let's try again. And see how it looks like. But so okay, this point is here, so we need actually need a higher one. Okay, maybe 0.7, and see if it helps the cost. I think that will, because it goes up a little bit. So you can see a little bit time consuming here, but at the moment we can also add the points. Okay, field draw. Yeah, it's okay. Maybe add a little bit. We field draw it. We are 2-1. Okay, we make a small circle. Make it 2 points. Okay. Maybe we make it everything relative to this one. Maybe 0.1. See if this is helping. Yep. So maybe 0.08, maybe 0.08. Okay. And then we have another point which is 4-1, and see the final outcome if it is good enough for our purpose. Okay, seems to be a tangent, so you can see the increase in price of reduce the price of X. Actually, the doesn't change anything Y, but just increase in X. So so that's it. Maybe finally we just try to see with the graph paper, which is the final product, final form that we need to see. So this is the one, and probably you may want to add an arrow, right? A doctored one. Maybe we want a 2 arrow, a doctored one, right? And from 2-1 to 4-1, right? See if this fit what we want. Okay, here is fine, but probably we need to be a little bit, add some padding here, 0.1 and 3.9. Okay, slightly adjust. Good, yeah. You can see a little bit here, but if you really want a little bit better, more visible, a little bit padding, slightly more. So you see how this is shifting left and right will be the showing you how the quantitative exchange when price of exchanges. Okay, so thank you.